What did he say?
If you know what type of hair dye he should use.
Hair dye? I don't know anything about no hair dye, man. Is that what he said?
Something about hair dye. Oh, no, that's before he goes out here to the public stuff. Okay, no, that's fine. Yeah.
Did you say something about hair dye?
No, I was asking, you know, what the deal was. You know, I saw
The
you
deal?
guys out here, so just
I
asking.
don't think we made a deal yet. You
I
have
don't know
something to
what
make a
you're
deal on? Dish has deals or what?
I'm trying not to be on camera.
You like dancing
Because
or what?
you have me on camera, so I'm asking. Walking in circles is not gonna get away from just curious because,
He likes
you know,
dancing.
I know how it is.
You're an odd person, man.
Hey, if I would have farted right now, bro.
Oh, hell yeah. You should have let him have it, man.
So,
You got one?
I almost said.
Let him have it, man. He's getting too close.
Before you came here.
Yeah, he's getting a little bit too close for comfort there.
What happened to the 6 feet rule? You broke it. Have a mask on. I see you don't. I don't believe in that whole thing anyway, man. I don't care about it. Okay. All right, thank you. Can I help you? Caballo.
Buenas tardes. Can I help you, my friend?
You guys are reporters?
What are you guys doing?
What are you doing, man?
What are you guys recording?
Why don't you back up 6 feet, man?
What's going on?
Why don't you back up 6 feet?
I don't need to back up 6 feet. What's going on?
It's none of your business.
Cold drink or what? Cold water.
You guys know? Do you guys know that you guys are taking pictures of us? Recording us? Without permission? Why you guys do that? What's up, Tuffy?
What?
I said, what's up, Tuffy?
What's going on? What do you guys want?
What do you want?
Well, you guys are standing right outside of our warehouse,
So?
taking
I didn't
video and
ask you
taking
any
pictures.
questions.
So I'm asking you, what are you doing here?
None of your business, man. Mind your own business.
What's that?
Standing inside the warehouse?
You're outside of our warehouse. This is where we're working.
Where we
And
standing?
we're just asking you why you guys are out here videotaping or recording, taking pictures. What's up?
None of your business, man. Look, you guys over here videotaping too. Why don't you ask him what he's doing?
I'm just looking at my phone.
You got the right to record, bro. Turn it that way, though.
I'm just looking at my phone.
Landscape mode.
You guys are fucking clowns.
The other way?
Cry baby.
Why don't you call somebody a lame that has a camera, bro?
What's that?
Why don't you call one of us a lame, bro? Really?
I didn't say lame. I said you guys are fucking idiots.
Yeah. Look who's talking.
You having a camera, bro?
Look who's talking. The guy that's wearing tights is saying that we're idiots. Nice tights. Nice tights, buddy. It's real cute. Oh man. Huh?
They got something going on other than what they're supposed to. I have no idea. Hey, you know what they say about people that say stuff like that and they walking away with their backs turned, right?
What's that?
When people walk away like that and talk under their breath, that's usually called a coward, bro. I would have more respect for you as a man if you stood right here and said it to me.
Hey, I was there asking you guys questions.
Yeah,
right
but
to
you
your
didn't
face.
say
You
you're
guys
an
tell me
idiot.
it's none of my business, right?
It's not none of your business. But you walked away like a little coward and mumbled it. I would give you more respect if you stood here and said it, bro.
What's that?
You get more respect and a little bit more courtesy if you stood here and said you're a fucking idiot.
I asked you guys in your face.
That's
Are you
asking.
guys
That's not
taking-
saying what you said when you turned away.
What's that?
That's not saying what you said when you turned away. You go fucking idiots.
Look who looks like an idiot now. The guy with the tights. The guy with the tights. Cute tights, man. Real cute. Looking all cute. Looking all cute. You need some weed though,
Yeah, bro,
huh?
you can record, bro. Yeah.
That's cool.
Anything you see from the public's eye, you can record.
Yeah. What are you guys, reporters?
We're not gonna report you guys. We're not gonna report you for the cocaine that's in there.
Are you guys good or what?
Huh?
Are you guys okay?
Yeah. What happened to the cold water?
I'll get you one.
Cocaine cowboys or what?
I'll get you one.
Yeah, that's what's up.
You know, my trade's plastering. 22 years in the trade.
That's what's up. Oh yeah.
That's cool,
I
man.
do repair work, stucco work, fireproofing.
That's good, bro. You got a card?
No, I just work well. Word of mouth.
Oh, that's cool.
Do you guys have a card?
No.
Is that down?
So it's not that we're trying to people just, you know, like cameras, bro.
People get paranoid.
They get paranoid.
Yeah.
And so they call the cops.
That's cool.
Yeah.
What are you gonna do with that video, bro?
Hey, are you guys gonna put us on TV?
What are you gonna do with that video?
Are you?
Are you gonna put us on TV with the video you're taking?
No.
No, you guys all the right.
This is personal.
Yeah.
No, I know, but I was just asking
If you
you.
have yours, I put
Maybe
mine.
you have a channel, you want to put it on a channel.
Maybe
We could,
YouTube?
huh?
Yeah,
Maybe
I'm
YouTube?
gonna come back like in an
Yeah?
hour.
Maybe
Yeah, YouTube. What's your YouTube channel?
I don't know.
Oh.
I'm gonna create one though for you guys.
Oh yeah,
Especially, okay?
that's cool. That's it, huh? Everybody's off.
Yeah.
Trying to go home, huh? That's cool, man.
Yeah, that's the best way to record, bro. Landscape mode.
I don't even know how to record. I'm just pretending.
You're not pretending.
Yeah, I'm pretending. I'm just. You know, life is like poker. You know what I'm saying?